This will make the fourth change.
I can't get him.
Clementine, honey, you don't need the pencil.
Dog tricks. Roll over. Roll over. Whoa. His neck is so strong. He was like taking dives when I was holding him earlier. Truman, let's just say I'm...
Don't lecture me. Clementine, honey, what are you doing? Oh, that was just in your... Thank you. That was just in your mouth. Are you helping him burp? I think he's got some gas in there. Oh, what a good big sister.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, you hugging me? Aw. Thank you, Clementine. You're so sweet. Oh.